Welcome, REALME is a REALME X2 Pro, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. Now to get started, what you want to do is open up the content that you wish to capture. I'm going to be using settings as an example, and from here press power key and volume down, simple press, and there we go. Have now captured a screenshot. And as you can see, it's visible right over here. We have two also options that will be visible for a couple of seconds. So the top one was share, which, well, you can basically send it to someone if you wanted to, a screenshot. And the second one, if you slide it down, was the scrollable screenshot, which will allow you to basically scroll down and capture more than is just visible on the screen. So going back to it. There we go. As you can see, it starts scrolling down. I can also grab it and in a way stop it from scrolling, but also scroll down myself a little bit further down, however much I want. Now once I'm done, all I need to do is press, well, the done button. There we go. And there we go. So it's now captured. Now if we go into our photo gallery, right over here, you can see the two screenshots that I have captured are both here. And that is basically how you would capture a screenshot. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.